we were given some of the guidelines. As you can see on your screen, if you find someone who has been wounded, or someone who has got injured, so this is the guideline given to us, like how we are going to treat such a person at home. Stop the bleeding. Number 2, clean the wound. Number 3, apply an antibiotic. Number 4, cover the wound. Number 5, change the dressing. Number 6, watch for signs of infection. So, dear students, we have completed first 2 points in the previous lecture: stop the bleeding and clean the wound. Today, we are going to start with apply an antibiotic. Well, dear students, you have to come to page number 39 of unit number 4, first aid, and we are going to start with a reading and explanation of the point, that is apply an antibiotic. After you clean the wound, apply a thin layer of an antibiotic cream or ointment to help keep the surface moist. The products don't make the wound heal faster, but they can help your body's natural healing process work fast. Certain ingredients in some ointments can cause a mild rash in some people. If a rash appears, stop using the ointment. So, as you have clearly washed the area around the wound, then the next step is to apply an antibiotic cream or an ointment. And how you are going to apply it? Yes, you are going to apply a very thin layer of antibiotic or ointment cream, because it keeps the surface moist. And like, what is the purpose that you are using it? Because it keeps the surface moist, and it further increases the chances of recovery, like, which means that natural body healing process will work fast. So some people, you must have noticed, or you must have observed, like, some people are really very sensitive to such ointments or antibiotic creams. So they are not supposed to use it, because how they feel that they are sensitive to such ointments, because some of the ingredients that are used in ointments or antibiotic creams, and they cause mild rash. So if such condition happens, then it is highly recommended that to stop the use of such ointments or antibiotic cream. Well, dear students, you can see on your screen the phrase which is underlined over here, to help. It is infinitive.